You know, as the snow is melting, you got to have another game plan if you want to still have some fun in these springtime months. So I got here, this here's a dirt sled, okay? This is for the summertime, fall, spring. It is a snowmobile for the dirt. So this is called a Wildcat Trail. It's made by Ditch Pickle. Same people that make them Ditch Pickle snowmobiles, they make this here Ditch Pickle, the dirt pickle. Just call it Dirty Pickle. I'm cool with that. We're gonna test out the beast pole and see how she works. We've got it mounted. You probably can't see it because it's invisible. Super high tech. We got it mounted to the front end of the bumper here to the Wildcat, and see how it works. This pickle don't give a shit.